How to find Form 941 in QuickBooks. So just log into your account, and once you've done that in your website, you can go ahead here to the My Apps section. Pressing that, you'll get a few more options. You're gonna have to go to Payroll over here. So in Payroll, you can go ahead to Payroll Tax and then choose the Fillings option. Once you choose on Fillings, you'll be able to see the Form 941 action needed. You can press on the e-file over here for more of its own information for this specific one. But if you want a file or a form for itself, you can go ahead and scroll down until you're below done. Right here in the filing resources. So choose archive forms and fillings. So once you're there, you're gonna have to go to the filters and toggle on the 941 quarterly tax forms, and this form, a 941 form, should appear as well, if of course it was already in the archived beforehand. So once you've done that, it will pop out. Just go ahead and to the view option, and QuickBooks should automatically just give you a sort of PDF that will be for a 941. So that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.